To fix the wireless capability is turned off error in Windows 7, follow these steps. So first, you need to locate the wireless switch on your laptop and make sure it's turned on. If your laptop doesn't have a physical switch, then it may be controlled through the functional key. Usually it's combination of keys Fn plus F2, so press at the same time both keys. Okay, so the next step what you should try is check if the wireless adapter is enabled in Windows. To do this, click on the Start button, so it's here. Go to Control Panel, and here you need to select Device Manager. If you can't see it here, simply type Device, and you will see Device Manager. So click on it. And then you need to find the section Network Adapters. So here it is, and click on Expand. Here you need to find your wireless adapter. So in my case, you can see it's here, dual broadband wireless. Right click, and if it's disabled, I need to enable it. Usually if it's disabled, it will look like this. So right click and click on enable. The next step, what you should try, if all these methods not help you, you can try also update your driver. So in order to do so, go back to Device Manager by clicking Start, Control Panel, Device Manager, here it is. Select your network adapter wireless, so here it is. Right click, Properties, and go to Driver tab. Here you can see that you can update this driver. Click on Update Driver. You can select here Search Automatically. If you have any software, download it from official website. For example, your computer is Dell. You can go to Dell website, download driver from there, and manually update by using it like this. So, or you can simply click on Search Automatically, and it will. So this one is up to date, so nothing to do. If you will be required to update, you will see it will start automatically update for you. Next step, what you should try, if all these methods not help you, you can try to reset the network adapter. To do this, go back to your control panel. So here it is. Type here network and sharing center. So here it is. So click on it. You'll see something like this, exactly like this. And here you need to click on Change Adapter Settings. So here it is, Change Adapter Settings. And here you need to select your wireless. So here it is. Right click and click on Disable. Wait few seconds, then right click, and you'll be able to enable it again. So enable it. Okay guys, so if the above steps don't work, try to installing the wireless adapter completely from Device Manager. So go to Control Panel, type here Device Manager, so here it is, Network Adapter, here it is, right click, install. Then close everything and restart your computer. So this anyway, you can check my other videos, maybe they will help you if this video was not helpful for you. As well, you can try to, if none of these steps help you, you may need to contact the manufacturer of your computer or wireless adapter for future assistance. Okay guys, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day. Bye.